Hi everyone, it's Interactive Books. Today we are going to be reviewing and reading over Finding Dory, a Play It sound book. So I will be reviewing over the pages and the sounds. Here are the pages. And then here are the sounds here on the right.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. I remembered something. I actually remembered something important.
Okay, so that was it for the review. Now let's start reading. Dory
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
is happy in her new home on the reef with Marlin and Nemo. Suddenly she remembers something from the past.
I remembered something. I actually remembered something important.
The jewel of Morro Bay, California, she murmurs. After getting caught in the stingray undertow, Nemo thinks that Dory is trying to migrate, which means going back home. Marlin and Nemo promise to help Dory find her way to California. Marlin calls on an old friend. Who is good with directions and good at riding currents. Morro Bay, California is coming up, dudes, says Crush. Crush drops off Dory, Marlin, and Nemo in Morro Bay. Dory accidentally gets scooped up by a Marine Life Institute staffer, taken inside and tagged. There, Dory meets Hank. A cranky octopus with a missing tentacle, who wants Dory's tag. Hank tells Dory that the MLI is the jewel of Morro Bay. Dory must be from one of the exhibits. She asks Hank to help find her family.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Look, says Hank, I don't work here. It's not like I have a map of this place. A map? Good idea, says Dory. You can take me to the map. Then how about if I give you my tag? Hank drops Dory into a coffee carafe, and they head out. While hanging out with Hank, Dory meets Bailey, a beluga whale, and Destiny, a whale shark. Destiny remembers Dory from when they were little and used to speak whale together. Wait a minute, so you know where I'm from? Asks Dory. Yeah, the open ocean exhibit, says Destiny. I'm from the open ocean exhibit? Can you take me there?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Destiny can't leave her tank, so once again, Hank lends a tentacle. When Dory gets to the open ocean exhibit, she learns that all the blue tangs are in quarantine. She'll have to go through the pipes to get there, but she doesn't know if she'll remember the directions. Destiny convinces Bailey to use his echolocation skills to help guide Dory.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
In the pipes, she happens to reunite with Nemo and Marlin, who tell Dory to keep going. Dory, your parents are going to be overjoyed to see you, says Marlin. I'm coming. Mommy, I'm coming. Daddy, says Dory. And Dory
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
makes it through the pipes, but when she arrives in quarantine, her parents aren't with the other blue tangs. Heartbroken, Dory accidentally slips down a drain that leads to the ocean. All alone once again, Dory
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
swims toward a kelp forest. Then she sees a shell path. I like shells, says Dory.
I remembered something. I actually remembered something important.
She follows the shells and finds her parents. They have been waiting a long time for Dory to come back to them, and she did. That was the end of this Finding Dory story, play, and sound book. Thank you so much for watching.